So guys, right now as you can see, I am in the community, and this community is no doubt a very good community. People are living a very peaceful life here, and there is no negative review. All the residents are very happy because at that time these layouts were rare, so people really loved it. And as far as capital appreciation is concerned, people earned a lot of appreciation here. Like if somebody bought a townhouse here in price of 1.5 million, now they can easily sell it at price of 3.5 million dirhams. So imagine, definitely all the investors are happy, all the end users are happy. But now the Dammam Island has no match because they are going to offer more better layouts, and additionally they will be bigger in size and less in price. So if we talk about the amenities, this community already have all the basic amenities like parks, like community clubs, like good infrastructure. But Dammam is going to change or revolutionize the whole concept of the townhouse community of Dubai. Like if we talk about, firstly the sizes are bigger. Firstly, they are going to launch 4 and 5 bedroom townhouses only. And if we talk about the villas, it will be 5, 6 and 7 bedroom. Imagine investing in communities that has land parcel of 13 million square feet, which means more land and more water amenities, more luxury living. So first benefit is you are going to invest in the phase 1. And as far as I know as a real estate expert, those who invest in the phase 1 always end up with good capital return. The prices are very affordable, like the prices start from just 2.6 million dirhams, and it's just an average price. Also, if we talk about its location, if we calculate it with the new or old airport, so they are going to launch the water amenities, which is really amazing. You can experience the island concept here with all the waterfront amenities in the Mac new launch. So guys, what I want to say basically, that if the people with the basic amenities have earned a lot of appreciation and they are living there happily, so imagine just beside to this community, if there is something new coming up with more affordable price plans, with more convenient, with more bigger sizes and with better layouts, and also with more amenities. So definitely this time you don't have to miss this opportunity in case you missed the opportunity of investing in the Mac Lagoons or the Mac Sun City. And also additionally, we are giving you 4% DLD waiver, plus you can get 3 golden visa free from the Mac. So feel free to contact for further details.